Dodge Viper review. Test drivers say the 2015 Dodge Viper wouldn't be an appealing daily drive thanks to its rough ride, but they were impressed by its exceptionally agile handling and strong acceleration. Powering the 2015 Dodge Viper is a V10 engine that delivers instantaneous throttle response and vicious acceleration, auto journalists say. They think throwing shifts with a 6-speed manual is fun, but it takes more effort than expected. According to the EPA, the 2015 Dodge Viper gets 1,221 miles per gallon city highway, which is low for the class. Auto writers agree that the Dodge Viper has incredibly sharp handling, but they say its outrageous power can make it challenging to drive quickly, even for experienced drivers, and they note that it has an extremely uncomfortable ride. They add that the Viper's steering system is responsive, but they think that its brakes could be quicker to react. Ready to buy? Get the best local price on a 2015 Dodge Viper. The 2015 Dodge Viper has higher quality interior materials and a more stylish design than it did before its most recent redesign, critics write. Even so, they think it still lacks many comfort features and its cabin isn't very roomy, with seats that are uncomfortable for long trips and poor outward visibility. Test drivers do like that the Viper has a large trunk and a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system. Standard features include automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, push-button start and Dodge's Uconnect infotainment system, which features an 8.4-inch touch screen, voice command recognition, navigation, a Harman Kardon audio system, Bluetooth, satellite radio and a USB port. Dodge Viper performance. Because of its terrific power and lightning-quick reflexes, the 2015 Dodge Viper can be a challenging car to drive for even the most expert drivers, according to critics. They add that its uncomfortable ride limits its appeal as a daily driver. However, if willing to accept the challenge, test drivers agree that piloting the Viper can be a very rewarding experience. Acceleration and power. The 2015 Dodge Viper SRT is powered by an 8.4-litre V10 engine that produces 645 horsepower and 600 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual is the only available transmission. Dodge says the 2015 Viper is a top speed of 206 miles per hour. The 2015 Dodge Viper gets an estimated 1,221 miles per gallon city highway, which is low for the class. The 2015 Viper has 5 more horsepower than the 2014 model, and it gets 2 more mpg on the highway. Test drivers agree that the 2015 Viper has astounding acceleration and nearly instantaneous throttle response that make it unlike almost anything else on the road. Auto writers like the 6-speed manual's short throws, but note that gear changes require more muscle than expected. Handling and braking. Reviewers write that the rear-wheel drive 2015 Dodge Viper has incredibly athletic handling but an extremely harsh ride, which doesn't make it an ideal car for everyday driving. The upper-level GT, GTC and GTS trims have a 2-mode suspension system with street and track settings, but critics say that the ride is still taxing in either setting. Automotive journalists report that even expert drivers may find it hard to keep the Viper under control at higher speeds. They praise the sharp steering system, but some note that the brakes could be more responsive. Dodge Viper interior. Though test drivers say the 2015 Dodge Viper has nicer materials and more attractive styling than it did before it was redesigned in 2013. They note that it is still a performance-focused car with relatively few comfort-oriented features. Several say its seats are firm and uncomfortable on longer trips, and that its cabin is small and it has limited outward visibility. Reviewers do like the Viper's large trunk and easy-to-touch screen infotainment system. Seating: the 2015 Dodge Viper seats 2 and comes standard with nylon and vinyl upholstery and power-adjustable pedals. Leather upholstery and power-adjustable seats are available in higher trims. Though some reviewers are pleased with the Viper's heavily bolstered, racing-style seats, several complain that they are too firm and uncomfortable, especially on longer drives. They also say that the Viper's cabin feels tight and that outward visibility is poor. Interior features: standard features in the 2015 Dodge Viper SRT include automatic climate control, push-button start and Dodge's Uconnect infotainment system, which features an 8.4-inch touch screen, voice command recognition, Bluetooth, satellite radio, HD radio, a USB port and an auxiliary audio jack. Newly standard features for 2015 include a rear-view camera, navigation and a 12-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. The Viper also comes standard with a 7-inch display in the gauge cluster that can show performance data like 0 to 60 mph times. An 18-speaker Harman Kardon audio system is available. Test drivers report that the Viper's Uconnect infotainment system is easy to use, with a large screen, straightforward on-screen menus, excellent voice recognition and separate knobs for audio and climate systems. Some say it's one of the most uncomplicated infotainment systems available in any new car. Cargo: the 2015 Dodge Viper has 14.65 cubic feet of trunk space, which is more than many sports cars offer. However, some auto writers report that the Viper's cabin doesn't have many storage spaces for small items.